Hello everybody. So in this video we are going to see how to activate your MS Office permanently. Okay, it will work mostly. Okay, so first of all you have to go in the search box. Let me focus on it. And in the search box you have to type Windows Shell. Okay, that means you have to open this window PowerShell. Okay, so click on this Windows PowerShell. After it gets opened, you have to type this command. I am going to show you. Okay, so this is the command which you have to write in your command prompt here. Okay, so I think it is visible to you now. After writing this command you have to press the enter. Okay, after clicking the enter button, this dialog box will open. Then click on yes. After that again a new dialog box opened. See here. So focus on this dialog box. So now you can see there are various options. So here you have to select the second option, that means where it is written office. So where it is written office in the second, so you have to press the 2 button. What I have said, you have to press the 2 from the your keyboard. Okay, press the key 2. Again after pressing the 2, now you have 1 2 3 4 options where you have to select the first option. The first option said install Hook Office activation, that means first option. So from your keyboard press the 1 button. So I am pressing 1. Wait again. So after pressing 1, see here, after pressing 1, this steps will be performed and you don't have to do anything. Okay, now your Windows Office MS Office will get activated. Okay, so I hope it helps. After this gets performed, your MS Office gets activated. Okay, so bye bye. If your MS Office get activated, comment in the comment box. Okay, bye bye.